All right, guys. So in this trade from earlier, let's kind of look at the executions so you guys can see them. Executions. Okay. Catalyst, pretty obvious here. Inversion fair value gap. Okay. Let's start from the beginning. We had this run up here. 8:30 CPI news release. Boom. Explosive move higher. What our trade is going to chase it higher. What did we actually do when we ran up here? We ran out previous PM session highs. Now we started breaking down. We ran below this fair value gap. You know I love inverting fair value gaps. I entered there. We dropped again, ran into this order block, entered there. We dropped again, ran back into this order block here, entered here. It's a gray shaded area. Look to the left of the chart. 5-minute fair value gap. Expectations, double bottom here. Traders are likely to put a stop loss below here. I'm expecting markets run out of these lows. All right. So I'm just holding for this trade. Let me take away that. Cool. So let's see if we can get that run higher. Lower. What did S&P 500 just do that I didn't like? This move here, this aggressive move here, below these lows, we did not see that happen on S&P 500. There's some reluctance there. So we got to be careful because at the end of the day, we are still trading in this huge fair value gap. And if price decides to be a rebel, we could catch ourselves making higher highs. But for now, my eyes are just on these lows here. I think we need to at least knock them out first, even if we want to go higher for the day. It's kind of thick right here. Oh, let's double it up. If I delete this one, what does it do? Cool. Just a little bit here. Yeah, I think there's a well, I don't even think there's a lot of liquidity resting below here. There's double bottoms here, and there's further liquidity resting below here. My expectations are we run this out. Now, do we keep going lower for a day? I'm gonna stick to what price is giving me. We'll see about that, but I expect those lows to get ran out. Once targets are acquired after their target on this stream, then I'll dive a little bit deeper into the trade for more details. But again, today's price action looks like it's moving a little bit more greasier. Put it that way. It's like this actual engine. Oil in the engine. Okay. Versus yesterday, you saw the price was very, very hard to move around. It was literally struggling. A lot of back and forth. Still made money on there. Still called the right trade live. With this price action today is way more, I don't use the word lucrative, but it just has way more motion on it. It's skating easier. It's moving in one direction. Moved up higher. Now it tends to be looking like one's moved down lower. Yes, we have this little back and forth in here. This is price 9:30 opening. So let's just see if this price is give us momentum to keep going lower. One thing I'm cautious of again is this constant lower low. This low here. This another little lower here made. I didn't see that on S&P 500. But at the same time, I also didn't see S&P 500 break higher. So it's okay. I'm still going to stick to sales. But I'm constantly measuring. You hear me every time I do this live stream. I'm always looking at S&P 500 compared to NASDAQ. When one makes a lower low, I would like to see the other one do the same thing. I don't like seeing one make a lower low, the other does not, because that can lead to a deeper retracement or full-on reversal. So every time I do live stream, you're going to hear me talk about, like, if one makes a lower low, like how NASDAQ just makes a lower low, S&P 500 not do so. Be very brief here. Look at S&P 500. See what I'm saying? See? And then see these lows right here? They didn't take it out. But meanwhile, NASDAQ, you can see recently just made a lower low. So I don't like seeing that. Um, it doesn't mean it's not going to keep going lower, but it's something to always be cautious of. This calling out everything here. So a move from where I entered right here back to midnight opening price. That is a trade right there. That level tends to be sensitive. So you see how the price hit it. Look at the reaction. And if you were to take that trade alone, that would have been a nice, almost 45-point move. So that's a good trade. So I'm going to highlight where we notice the SMT right here. See how that's been a catalyst of an aggressive move higher, or somewhat of a little push higher. On the other hand, however, this high here was right on the S&P 500, not on NASDAQ. So let's see if this could be a catalyst just take us lower now. So I'm just going to do this. SMT. So as a seller, I like to see this. I rather see the SMT happen on the run up higher because then that shows confirms weakness for me. Select what I see here. Want to see if that can act as an inversion fair value gap. One thing I'm even measuring. So even on this run higher. So again, price open here with this red line. It's 930 open. So even it going back higher, even was too weak to even run out of high. They didn't even have momentum to even run above a high. So again, this to me is, in my mind, I'm just measuring, looking at weakness. Where's strength, where's weakness? And I don't see any buyers stepping up to even take out these highs. So that tells me, again, there's still further weakness expected. And if you get anything from this, like and subscribe. Appreciate you. So let's watch these lows right here. See if we can go for them. I'm just going to erase this right here. Around below that. It looks like S&P 500 wants to follow suit now. It's just a little bit more of a push from S&P 500. Regardless of what S&P 500 does, I think we should see a move lower below those lows. Okay, there we go. S&P 500 is now moving with it. So to me, this confirms the weakness that we're expecting. Now let's see if we get that push below those lows. Off price is going to be merciful today. Maybe they have mercy on the sellers, on the buyers. What do you think? Help me, the market's saying. If you're buying this, you're probably like, please don't run below those lows. I'm telling you, unfortunately, don't run below. I have a crystal ball. Crystal ball. Where are we? Mirror, mirror on the wall. Where are traders? Can I get fucked? Okay, excuse my language. But where are the traders? You're gonna get hurt. Gonna turn around the turn of events. Maybe it's me. Spoke too soon. Do you guys think the markets have mercy on these lows? Or do you think they're gonna take them out? What do you think? Days like this are easier than yesterday. Was ridiculous. Still made money on the game. You guys saw me, stick to those trades. But I'm expecting this to be way quicker than yesterday. Yesterday's price action was ridiculous in terms of its back and forth. Let's see if today can be smoother. You know what? This could reverse from here. Hmm. I'll tell you what that reaction is in a second here. We actually hit a daily fair value gap high. Okay, do you guys think it's gonna take out the lows? Or it's gonna go higher? That's my question. Look out here that inversion fair value gap and then the 930 opening, or they call it new daily opening gap low. Look at the reaction so far. That's what you want to see if you're selling these markets. Looks good. If you also look to the left of your chart, which is the 5-minute chart, it's running to a 5-minute order block. So to me, the market still look good for a drop. I actually want to just take my, I want to put my take profit a little bit right here. To be frank with you, see if I can move it real quick. Just let it do its thing. It's not that deep. Things gonna spare the buyers. Maybe this is a demand zone, right? You know? Oh, S&P made a lower low. NASDAQ, what are you doing? You're supposed to be a weaker pair. Hmm. So I'm gonna draw out the daily level here. This perhaps could cost. We're playing games here. That's it. Don't like that. Really don't like that. Games you're playing. Okay, so we just hit a higher time from low. So this is where you have these experiences. You have these experiences. So we did hit this daily level. And we're getting this retracement. I have my stop loss in place, so this is what it is. But just saying, see the reaction so far we got. Maybe we just fell short of it a little bit. Let's see, 2121.50. Let's see what this low is right here. Slow that candle. 2121.75. Okay, so we fell short of it by 0.25. So we should still see another drop. It fell short of it, so I like that instead. Okay, we should see that drop. To me, these lows should get knocked out. It's too clean here. It's just too clean. And so far, you've seen nothing has changed, right? You've seen this inversion fair value gap do its thing. What did this move here do? We took out a swing high. Again, from the algorithms on the market, what data points do we use? Perhaps swing highs. Yes, it's a 1-minute chart. Yes, traders probably won't put a stop loss here, but I look at it this way. Whatever the swing high, once markets take it out, I want to see a rejection, especially if I'm bearish. So we ran above these highs. To me, this is good enough to prime the quote-unquote algorithm to drop lower. That's how I like to see it. That's how I think about it. So let's just see if we can keep getting that push lower below these lows here. And a lot of traders are going to see that because you got to think about it this way. Perhaps they also have an algorithm where, price hit a double bottom, or they have a system where price hit a demand area, right? And their thing is looking out hit there. Once price runs above any swing high, they'll get in on a buy stop. So some traders are probably getting in because they see a little bounce coming from this quote unquote area of demand. And they'll probably put a stop loss below here. That's why I actually want to move it. Part of me really wants to move this here. Let's just do that for now. Like if price probably gonna go beyond this, right? Because some traders might put a stop loss below here, and then they see price coming down, they might move it here. So I ultimately want to see all this liquidity get wiped out. If I'm paying close attention to S&P 500, if it doesn't show aggressive weakness too, then I'll just close out some of the positions manually. If it actually hit that daily fair value gap high, then I'll still be in my sales, but all this gyration, it's doing where it looks like it wants to go higher. Not necessarily phased by it. Yeah, maybe sparing the buyers today. What do you guys think? Please drop a comment if you're enjoying this content. Like, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to do so. Your boy KC will highly appreciate that. Follow me on the gram too, at KC_Colosso. My trading page also the Colossal Trader. All right. I'll be giving content about the economy, breaking down economic terms, paying attention to what's this administration going to do. I think it's going to do a lot of shaking up, and I'll be covering those things. So, I appreciate if you guys can subscribe, follow me on Instagram. Again, KC_Colosso and the Colossal Trader. I have a Twitter as well as the Colossal Trader, but I don't really use it too much. Oh, look at that. There you go. Targets hit. And smash right there. You see that? All right. So now, honestly, I might just close that manually. I like the momentum so far. Give us more, please. Okay. And that's what I was saying, where I'll just close that manually if it starts doing some dumb shit. Okay. Why S&P 500 did not follow suit? This. Maybe we're gonna buy 2 more. Okay. It's probably gonna drop, I know, but I don't really care to play too many games here because you're on a daily fair value gap high, so this could cause a reaction. We don't like this one on here. Let me pick another 2. 2 more. No targets acquired. See, they're right there. So we had again. Guys, we had that sell, 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 and you see me exiting right here at that pull liquidity I told you guys about earlier. Look at that. Boom. So I exited 6 contracts, or 9 contracts actually. I have 6 more left. Again, a beautiful trade, and it's still going. It's probably gonna go even lower here. Nice, simple, short, sweet. I gave you the logic ahead of time. Let's keep watching that. Sometimes you guys are gonna hear me talk, and I won't be talking to my mouse won't be moving, but typically I'm talking to my Instagram. Okay, so where can we actually go from here? So now I think these lows could be acquired if we really start moving aggressively. I wonder if I play my friend's music, if YouTube's gonna give me a copyright strike, or it has to be like he has to actually do it himself. My friend won't. He's not gonna sue me. He won't give me no copyright shit. But I don't know if YouTube automatically gonna do that. If they do, then I'm not gonna play his music. I guess I might as well try it out. Okay, YouTube, don't fuck me out on this one. I just want to play my homeboy's music, because we're like that. Oh, Joe Rogan with Musk. I want to see that. I'm doing too much. Let me close out a little more position here. Some more. This counting. Look at that POZ bow. You already know. Put you on. Hey, y'all, if you ain't listen to POZ bow, you are tripping. And you trade. I'm about to put y'all on. I'm about to put y'all on real quick. I'm about to put y'all on real quick. How the fuck is this guy trading and still? Yeah, we like that. The market is simple, okay? Just get better with time, baby. Get better with time. Put in the work. Bro, so my computer doesn't want to play this shit. Okay, it should be playing, right?
You think I killed Gary?
Did you? I choose violence every day.
The investigation begins.
My friends are incapable of murder. They're my family. I would do anything for them.
Even kill? Everyone is dying to know.
Got anything you want to get off your chest?
Who did it?
Gary's got a lot of enemies. Could be any.
Well, I tell you, don't go.
Money come, money go. Hoes come, hoes go. Money come, money go. Hoes come, hoes go. Money come, money go. Hoes come, hoes go. Money come, money go. Hoes come, hoes go. But you already know, POZ Bo still on the highway rolling low. Someone bumping in the Beamer while smoking drone. Just another day in the life of the man. Still at the crib drawing up plans on how to get the salutes. It'll take my stash. I'ma have to shoot out the way, but it's nothing to get sprayed. So we executing plays on which to never be enslaved. Off the phone, we gotta get the dough. Shawty, get off my phone, you moving way too slow. And we gotta go. 7 a.m. at the gym, just getting swole. Then I ride back to the crib to achieve goals. Hit up my niggas, robbing banks, no triggers. I figured a way to get a meal so I can figure the team of winners. Though we sinners, we're prep before dinner and hope the Lord lets us see tomorrow. Stack it up before you die so your family don't gotta borrow. That will help ease the sorrows. Though I'm rolling this green. My mind is always focused on the green, so don't get it confused. Get it right, nothing in between. If she ain't adding value to your life, then my nigga, she's not your wife. Just get the dough, then you good to go. P.O.Z. bro, still get into the dough. Money come, money come, money go, money go. Hoes come, hoes come, hoes go, hoes go. But you already know. You already know. Money come, money go. Hoes come, hoes go. 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 Woke up this morning and thank the Lord that she can't keep a nigga cause she always getting bored. All good. Back to the drawing board. It doesn't matter the price, baby, I can afford. Just help me get to this million and you won't live like a regular civilian. I like beauty, but I love brain. Show me how you would get to a meal over champagne. I pulled up in the range, clean jumper with the Larry Bird range. This hoes is all the same, my nigga. They never change. Quick combo with the chick numbers. We didn't even exchange, cause I figured she couldn't help me get to the change. I was dressed up, looking clean, wearing 2 chains. I was swerving lane to lane while flying paper planes. I was with shawty though, I like the way she dropped a low. I took her out to eat and wasn't trying to hold on, trying to take it slow. So I dropped her back at home. She was moving sneaky, so I Sherlock Holmes. Got to the root of the issue. Cut her off, now she crying, she needed tissue. I'ma miss you, but the money gonna help me pull through. Peekaboo, she thought she saw a ghost when I put up in the phantom. I need a boss chick, not a girl who throws a tantrum.
Y'all better stop, boy. P.O.Z. Bo, man. I don't know what you. If you ain't listen to P.O.Z. Bo, you ain't talking about nothing. All right, this the homie right here. He doing his thing. We might have a reversal ahead of us right now.
We them guys.
We them guys, 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 yeah.
We them guys.
We them guys, 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 yeah, yeah.
With them guys, real niggas don't wear disguise. With them guys, she slid with us and you look surprised. With them guys getting Wi-Fi money, we can advise on how to get that dough. There's that P.O.Z. Bo, but she already know. When you step through the door, have my money for me plus some more. Nothing less, roll this weed to ease the stress. Then it's back to the press, full court defense. NASDAQ got my back against the fence. Spin around, jumping for the dial, wow, better offense. 200 points with the 50 cents. Dinner with the team, all bosses. Any one of us can't handle the expense. I don't smell like money, but she claims that's my scent. Real gentleman, the way I listen to her vent. Give a game and advice with Nigerian accent. Double R, back to back, the way we put up to events. Simple, but effective the way Ozzy Bo dressed. No designer on, but shout it on me, so I digress. I can treat you like a queen, just don't give me stress. Early mornings at the gym, doing a bench press. You can get what you want, just add a finesse. There's many ways to achieve a goal. Whichever path, you always gotta play your role. You don't know until you know. Ozzy Bo still rolling low, avoiding potholes, still robbing banks, getting bankroll. Still with my guys, getting money is the why. Still sliding, niggas dying every day, so I'm out the way with my guys. We them guys,
We them guys, we them guys, we them guys, we them guys, we them guys, yeah.
we them guys.
We them guys, 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 yeah, yeah.
Cruising on the highway, it's a Friday. New day, talk money and make new plays. Strategizing with the homies by world domination. With your bitch, I'm the nigga to be a dominatrix. Moving real fast, I just hope that we don't crash. She was talking real sexual, told her I'ma pass. Class act, even though I was a bad student. For this money, nigga, I'ma have to be real prudent. Presidential on my wrist and it's a lake house. Prudential holding money, nigga, fuck a safe house. Rich like Roddy, nigga, I'ma play with the box. Wavy nigga, even though I'm fucking with these locks. Stick, talk, plug, walk, grinding for my future. My homie called and I had to bless him with the feature. New edition, you gon' have to read all about it. We them guys, watch these moves, you gon' talk about it.
We them guys.
Listen, he said robbing banks, no triggers. Come on, man. You ain't talking about that. I'm telling you, if you listen to that.
You buy our 100k Thunder challenge, we will pass and manage it for you for completely free. And the best part, if we fail, we give you back what you paid for the...
I'm sorry, I can have you guys eat, talking and talk, okay? That trading talk. He's the only trader out there talking about that trading talk. You feel me?
making money, making money, making money, making money, making money, making money, making making money out the way with my honey. Beautiful day and it's sunny. Another day to make $1. I'm one of the top ballers. No NBA, but never broke again. Plus I'm turning 25 soon. With the champagne. Hold up, bro, the J. Got aboard the plane. Living good, I really can't complain. Graduated debt free. OG Bo to the degrees. Best believe I always got something up my sleeve. Rolling trees, rolling back in the Maybach, trying to relax and think about how I'ma make it all back. You gotta find support when you falling. I didn't cheat the race, I started out crawling. Now look at me ballin', no Spalding. This that shit I talk every day. Gotta make the money before the Lord call my name. Making money, 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 cruising down the highway, it's a nice day to get paid, so everything fresh and laid. We out the way, even on the sunny days. We come through in them new things, cause our bank account's looking good like chicken wings. And I brought Shotty with the thighs, she right here by my side. I see 5 guys hating, but I don't want beef, cause I'm chilling with my nigga G as we cheap, talking about how it was way back. Reminiscing, I remember when my dad got my mom's the Maybach. Now I'm sitting in this hole, planning on how to take it all. Praying to the Father, Lord, let me ball before you call, cause niggas dying every day. So don't ask why I'm out the way. I'm making money, so hey, making money, 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 making shit, man. A nigga about to turn 25, man. I'm just blessed, man. Feeling grateful to make that money every day and be alive, man. You got one life, man. Don't waste time, man. Just go, just do it. Just do it, man. Making money out the way with my honey. Every day you can find me trying to get, man. Good job, man. Woke up today, thank God for the day. Woke up today, thank God for the day. I woke up today, thank God for the day. Woke up today, thank God for the day. Woke up today, thank God for the day. Roll the J, it's time to get this cake. Hit up my niggas, robbing banks, no triggers. Wi-Fi money, I can show you, honey, that I'm a different type of man. The man with the plan, I can make it disappear with a clap of my hand. She made a clap with that wop. Unfortunately, I'm only interested in that guap. 10 toes down with plan A, praying it don't flop. Rubber currency while trading currency off my laptop. Just another day in the life of Ozzy Bo. She moving funny cause she got options, I already know. That's why I'm focused on the dough. Sitting back thinking about my next move in the roles. So many ways, I just picked the way that frees me from the white man. Hooray, the long route, not the wrong route, no delay. Pulling out the driveway, cruising down the highway. Told Shawty, I'm on my way. Date night tonight, you don't gotta pay. Drop you back at home, I ain't even trying to play. Just trying to make it back home safely to pray. Quick 400
I was over here singing all the lyrics. You're like,
my
what the fuck is he talking about?
phone. Why
sleep. Nightmares of losing the peace, she can't sleep. So I woke up today, thank God for the day. So I woke up today, thank God for the day.
Woke up today, thank God for the day.
Woke up today, thank God for the day. Roll the J,
It's time to get this cake.
Hit up my niggas, robbing banks, no triggers. The world in our hands,
You don't even understand
the life that we live. I wouldn't have it any other way. Niggas dying every day, so we still out the way. I've been sending it off since I was a young, and I knew times like this was coming, so it ain't nothing. Sipping champagne overseas in Spain. Mi nombre es Valentine, chica bonita. Said she love my name. I love a lot of things, but nothing more than the game. One of the greats, it's just a matter of time before I'm in the Hall of Fame. Left hand, right hand, I can give it many ways. Just let me know your off days and I can handle that. Not a Mac, but she looking like the apple of my eye, so I got a Mac. Still laid back in the back, reminiscing about how it was way back. Life of Rosie Bow, you don't even know. We just trying to get the dough. So I woke up today, thank God for the day.
I woke up today, yeah, thank God.
I woke up today, thank God for the day.
Woke up today, thank God for the day.
Woke up today, thank God for the day.
Roll the J's, time to get this cake.
I woke up today, thank God for the day.
Hit up my niggas, rubber banks, no triggers.
All right, guys.
Getting cheddar. Feeling better. Getting cheddar. Feeling better. Too many ways to make a play. I'm up early, shit, maybe at 3. If that's the case, then I'm catching fees. Trying to get this dough on my phone. Shawty
No more music.
was asleep. She don't even know that I just made my daily.
POZ bar. If you ain't subscribed, subscribe. You feel me? All right, so these markets, I mean, they've already done their job. You see how it's way easier to trade today than yesterday. Smooth price action. Yeah, we had a little back and forth in here, but like it had one-way direction. All right, and it's constantly been moving and drifting. I think these lows should get hit. If they don't, who cares? All right, I already had a good trade. So let's kind of look at this for real. All right. Get into the details. Bam. Beautiful markets. I love this. Okay, so price at 9:30 again 8:30 ran higher aggressively. Okay. It fell short to get into the 50-minute fair value gap, which is okay because why did I not care? Well, let's look to okay, where did PM sessions high end up being, right? So if you realize PM session starts at 13 o'clock. So the highs, the market, 13 o'clock started right here. We had this move all the way up here. And we closed essentially right at the new daily open gap highs. Look how that's beautiful, right? This is where price opened yesterday. Look how we stopped right there to the T. So the market's all controlled. Again. So anyways, the market stops right here. That's the high of the PM session. You want to pay attention to every session high and low. So the PM session high is right here. Then notice what then happens going into today. Again, so the PM session is pretty much right where these new daily open gap highs and lows are. We run above that high. So we take out liquidity pool and we start breaking down. At that point, right, at that point, when we start breaking down, we have an inversion fair value gap. You have to think about it this way. When price is staircasing higher, like higher, 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 now it's taking out liquidity pool. So you have to be aware, okay, it's taking out liquidity. A retracement is not necessarily, especially already a premium, meaning the price is expensive. So just because price trades into a fair value gap, you don't want to see that as a buy. You got to be more cautious than it drives right through that and goes below this fair value gap, right? At this point, the next people set of buyers are going to be right here. They're going to think, well, maybe just took out liquidity pool to just, drop into this quote-unquote order block. But with the context, understand this fair value gap previously pushed price higher. So the fact that we're dropping below that, now we want to see used as a resistance. And you can see that happening. Trades in there, and I'm selling that. And on top of that, we have a new daily opening gap high around this level. So a lot of areas that coincide right there. A lot of levels. So we have this new daily opening gap highs right here. Price literally drops below the fair value gap to your left right here, right? Trades into it, drops off. Then what's doing here? It trades back into an order block. I sell again. Boom. Drops off, right? You have to understand. If you want to draw another fair value gap, I'm not gonna do too much. Just right here. If you do this instead, right? There's a little gap in price here. You want to even call that a fair value gap. Point is to trade into there as well with an order block. Boom. Okay. This is happening right at the near the 200 level, 21,200. Then we drop lower, and now at this point, okay, this is where the experience plays a role. I'm like, okay, these lows here are just too smooth. Okay, could they have dropped in here and then gone higher? Yes, but I'm willing to say, well, we're going below this new daily opening gap high. We're around liquidity. We're going below this new daily opening gap high. We're dropping. What we have in place is an obvious sign that momentum is on the bearish side because price is respecting what up close candles. Up close candle, price drops from it. It creates this one. Price kind of trades into it, maybe barely fails trade into it, drops from it. So now we're trading back in. My expectation is fair value gap is going to hold price. And honestly, traders are willing to put their stop loss here. So my risk reward, really, I was really watching if price makes a move above this fair value gap, I'll be out. So I'll be risking in total, let's just say 20 points. But it's less than that because remember, I got in, it's 20 points from this entry, right? 20 points. My stop loss is like right above here. But it's less than that because remember, I got in on this trade. I got in this position first. So we'll average out and probably my entry, was higher than what it is right now. But anyways, so, and it's higher because it's first in, first out in America. So whatever trade you enter in first, you're gonna enter that trade first. So my position here, I have 15 contracts in total. So my first 5, once I press exit, was really exiting this position, the first one, and then if I'm exiting another 5, it would be this position exiting. So at that point, it's going to keep averaging what is your current entry, if that makes sense. Anyway, not against the weeds of that. But just those first and first, so you can do the research on that. Point is, though, because when you understand that logic, your entry is going to move around if you enter at different levels. Anyways, so price runs higher, smooth higher. I like to see a staircase moves higher. Because now when it starts dropping, it makes it obvious. So it drops lower. Again, here on on this inversion fair value gap, getting here on this order block, it trades back again higher. Again, here this order block here, and then right at what is this level? This is a new daily opening at high. This is before 9:30 open. This is where we closed yesterday. So I already have that highlighted. I always keep mine in red. So I'm looking at the sensitivity. Okay, cool. We created an order block right at this new daily opening gap high, or pretty much previous day's close or previous day's settlement price. Solid. I get in here. We consolidate to 9:30. At this point, price has already moved away from my entries. So I'm not too worried. And we also have this fair value gap that can stop price from going higher. You see price trades into that. So 9:30 openings right here. Price trades here, right? And it's showing respect to this fair value gap. Trades there, it drops away, then it moves higher. And even it going above 9:30 opening, it didn't even have momentum to go above these highs. So to me, that's weakness. And then S&P 500, right, made a higher high, while NASDAQ did not. So that shows weakness, and that could be a catalyst for the further move lower. And we had this drop. Now you guys saw me highlight this fair value gap here. And I want to see active inversion fair value gap. Look at that. Boom. And look at this inversion fair value gap. It coincides right where 930 opening is. Okay. And we drop. So those are things that you want to see when we take out these lows. And now I'm kind of lost in price. Let's see. Okay, so we take out these lows, which is what I was expecting. And now what we do have is a potential to take out these lows. Doesn't have to, don't really care anymore. But that could definitely happen. It's not necessary. I don't really care for that to happen. If it does, it does. It doesn't, it doesn't. We're ready to close out bulk of our positions. What I am watching now is 5-minute fair value gap. Does this want to hold back price? But then keep in mind here that if you look at a daily chart, we are in a daily fair value gap. See this right here? So this could lead to an explosion higher. So I know that. I'm aware of that. And it's already done damage by taking out this low and that low. But it'll be nice to see them take out this low right here. Not really a major requirement. I already closed out most of my position. So again, if you got any value, like, subscribe. I'm giving this for free. It's not gonna be like this forever. It really won't. But it was easy, smooth, get better with time. We train every single day. Back test. Look at liquidity pools. How's markets reacted to them? Look at the past 3-5 days liquidity pools, highs and lows. Mark that out. Gauge how prices targeting those or moving away from those. All right. And I'll give you some insights. But anyways, look at the 15-minute chart again. I'm gonna take a lot of executions there. Where is the next liquidity pool? Well, we have one down here. And then we do have one all the way down here, but I don't know if we're gonna get all the way over there. Not too excited. But you know, it's a probability. But so far I have this huge consolidation. So we'll see what happens. And right now we just created this little 15-minute fair value gap. So I'll be watching this more closely. If we get above this, then I will personally close out my position. It doesn't even have to be my stop loss. All right, so I hope that was helpful, guys. Again, like, subscribe. I highly appreciate it, guys. Until next time, have a wonderful day. And one thing, notice how quick it is. It was easier. When it's a good day, like when price, look how quick price will hit its targets. It's 9:30 my time, so it's 10:30 in the markets. Versus just seeing prices gyrate back and forth, you know, till 12 o'clock like we did yesterday. Like, what is this? How come I'm not showing? That's a show, please. Cool. Well, let's look at all this ugliness that we went through here. It still went through the targets I was expecting, right? I still made money on this, but like, it was so ugly in here. The price didn't release till like 11. Even with that, it still had all this back and forth before it dropped around 12:45. That's the difference. Okay. But anyways, talk to you guys next time. KC, Colossal Trader. It's out.